Oh, golf.
Come on.
Give me one of those.
Wait, but I thought people with diabetes can't have sugar.
No, that's not quite how it works.
So, what is diabetes?
Okay, well, I'll explain. Take that for gummy bear.
Sure, don't mind if I do.
So, when you eat that, it goes down your food canal where it gets broken down into its building blocks by your digestive system. In sweet foods, like gummy bears, this will include lots of a sugar molecule called glucose, which enters your bloodstream. Glucose is really important for the body. But when there's too much glucose in your blood, it can start to cause some serious problems, which is where an organ called the pancreas comes into play. For someone like you who doesn't have diabetes, when your pancreas detects sugar in the blood, it releases a messenger chemical known as a hormone called insulin. Insulin then travels through your blood where it signals to cells in different organs to use the extra glucose to create and store energy, including in muscle, the liver, fat, and even the brain. This lowers the amount of glucose in your bloodstream back to healthy levels.
Oh, okay. So what happens when you eat it?
Well, okay, I'll have a look at this egg. When I eat this candy egg, it goes through my digestive system and gets broken down into glucose molecules, just like your green gummy bear. But because I have what's called type 1 diabetes mellitus, my pancreas is not able to release insulin in response to the high blood glucose, meaning glucose can build up in my blood and cause me some serious problems. In diabetes mellitus type 2, which is more common than type 1, especially in older people, the pancreas can often still release insulin, but the cells in the different organs that are supposed to respond to insulin become less good at doing so, meaning glucose can build up in the blood just like in type 1.
So how do you treat it then?
Well, studies have shown that for both types of diabetes, a healthy diet is crucial. For type 1, we use insulin, often by injecting it, and constantly monitor our blood glucose. Some people with type 2 also need insulin, but they mainly use medicines called anti-diabetics, with recent research finding lots of new effective types of these drugs. The future is exciting, with promising research into actually changing our pancreas cells so they can produce insulin, and even potentially using the bacteria in our gut to regulate blood sugar.